The used truck market is absolutely insane right now. Everyone's fighting over Tacomas selling for $35,000 with 150,000 miles, while three incredibly capable trucks sit on dealer lots for half that price with nobody looking at them. We're talking genuine workhorses with proven reliability, legitimate towing capacity, and ownership costs that'll make Tacoma owners weep when they see your bank account. These aren't sexy. They're not Instagram-worthy. But they're absolute gold mines for people who actually use trucks as trucks. Let's reveal the three most undervalued pickups you can buy right now. Number 3. 2015 to 2019 Nissan Frontier. Everyone ignores the Frontier because it's outdated. That's exactly why it's a gold mine. This truck uses proven, simple technology that's been refined for over a decade. You can find clean 2015 to 2019 Frontiers with 80,000 to 100,000 miles for $15,000 to $19,000. Compare that to equivalent Tacomas selling for $28,000 to $32,000. You're saving $13,000 plus for essentially the same capability. The 4.0-liter V6 produces 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. These are modest numbers, but this engine is bulletproof. It's the same VQ40DE that Nissan used in Xterras and Pathfinders for years. Owners routinely exceed 250,000 miles with nothing beyond oil changes and spark plugs. Fuel economy manages 16 city, 22 highway for 4x4 models, competitive with trucks twice the price. The 5-speed automatic transmission is ancient technology, but that's the point. It's simple, reliable, and cheap to maintain. No complex 10-speed transmissions with 17 solenoids to fail. Towing capacity maxes at 6,720 pounds, genuinely useful for boats, campers, and trailers. Payload reaches 1,480 pounds depending on configuration. These are real work truck numbers. The interior is basic. The infotainment system feels 10 years old because it is. The plastics are hard, but nothing breaks. The AC blows cold at 150,000 miles. The seats remain comfortable. There are no squeaks or rattles. Here's what mechanics love about Frontiers. They never see them for major repairs. The most common services are brakes every 50,000 miles, tires based on usage, and fluid changes. That's it. No timing chain issues like Tacomas, no transmission problems like Colorado's, just reliable transportation. The off-road capability in Pro 4X trim is legitimately impressive. Electronic locking rear differential, Bilstein shocks, skid plates, and hill descent control. You get 90% of Tacoma TRD capability for 60% of the price. Known issues are minimal. Some models experience radiator failure around 100,000 miles, the strawberry milkshake of death, coolant transmission fluid mixing. But this was addressed in 2010 plus models. Occasional timing chain guide wear creates startup rattle on high mileage examples, but actual failures are rare. Rear axle seal leaks are common but inexpensive fixes. The bed is fully usable at 5 or 6.1 feet, depending on configuration. The spray-in bed liner option holds up better than competitors' plastic drop-ins. Tie-down points are well-positioned and robust. Resale value is the Frontier's secret weapon in reverse. Yes, it depreciates more than Tacomas initially, but you're buying at the bottom of the depreciation curve. A $17,000 Frontier with 90,000 miles will still be worth $12,000 to $13,000 in 5 years. Your cost per mile is incredibly low. Insurance costs are 20 to 30% less than comparable Tacomas. Parts availability is excellent. The aftermarket support is surprisingly robust with lift kits, bumpers, and accessories readily available. This truck exists for people who need capability without Instagram clout. If you're hauling lumber, towing a boat, or commuting to a job site, the Frontier delivers everything necessary for half what everyone else is paying. Number 2. 2014 to 2018 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. The EcoDiesel Ram is the most misunderstood truck in America. Everyone heard about early reliability problems and ran away screaming. Meanwhile, informed buyers are scooping up 2016 to 2018 models with resolved issues for $22,000 to $28,000. Comparable gas-powered Rams sell for similar prices, but the diesel's fuel economy creates massive savings over time. You're looking at 21 city, 29 highway, legitimately car-like numbers in a full-size truck. The 3.0-litre V6 turbo diesel produces 240 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. That torque number is what matters. You get V8 level pulling power with 4-cylinder fuel consumption. Towing capacity reaches 9,200 pounds, enough for serious trailers and campers. Here's the critical detail. Avoid 2014 to 2015 models with early EGR system problems. Focus on 2016 to 2018 models where FCA resolved the major issues. These later trucks are genuinely reliable if you follow the maintenance schedule religiously. Required maintenance: oil changes every 10,000 miles with specific diesel-rated synthetic oil, DEF fluid top-offs every few thousand miles, fuel filter replacement every 20,000 miles, and EGR system cleaning every 67,500 miles. Follow this protocol, and you'll hit 200,000 plus miles without drama. The 8-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine is smooth and reliable. It's the same ZF unit used in BMWs and other premium vehicles. Fluid changes every 60,000 miles ensure longevity. Real-world fuel economy is where this truck prints money. Average 24 to 26 miles per gallon in mixed driving. Highway road trips easily hit 28 to 30 miles per gallon. Compare that to gas V8 Rams struggling to break 18 miles per gallon combined. Calculate the savings. Driving 15,000 miles annually, the EcoDiesel uses approximately 580 gallons versus 880 gallons for a comparable gas V8. At current diesel prices, that's roughly $900 to $1,200 annual savings. Over 5 years of ownership, you've saved $4,500 to $6,000 in fuel alone. The ride quality is exceptional. Ram's coil spring rear suspension delivers car-like comfort that embarrasses competitors. The available air suspension adds adjustable ride height and improved handling. Interior quality in 2016 plus models is genuinely impressive. Laramie and Longhorn trims offer leather, wood trim, and technology rivaling luxury SUVs. The Uconnect infotainment system is responsive and intuitive. Known issues on 2016 to 2018 models: DEF heater failures in cold climates, $400 to $600 fix, occasional EGR valve sticking requiring cleaning, and the standard diesel particulate filter regeneration cycles that confuse owners unfamiliar with diesels. These aren't catastrophic failures, they're normal diesel maintenance. The truck bed features Ram box storage compartments in higher trims, lockable, drainable, and genuinely useful. The tailgate damping system and integrated step make loading easier. Bed capacity is class competitive at 1,880 pounds payload. Resale value has stabilized after the initial depreciation hit from reliability concerns. You're buying at the absolute bottom. A $25,000 2017 EcoDiesel with 70,000 miles will hold $18,000 to $20,000 value in 5 years, while saving thousands in fuel. This truck exists for high-mileage drivers who tow occasionally. Commute 50 miles daily and tow a camper on weekends. The EcoDiesel pays for itself. Drive 5,000 miles annually. Buy the gas V8 instead. Which of these trucks surprised you most? Drop a comment below. Number 1. 2015 to 2020. Chevrolet Colorado/GMC Canyon with 2.8-litre Duramax diesel. This is the ultimate Goldmine truck that nobody's buying. The mid-size diesel Colorado and Canyon deliver full-size capability with compact fuel economy, selling for $10,000 to $15,000 less than comparable Tacomas. You can find 2016 to 2020 diesel Colorados with 60,000 to 80,000 miles for $24,000 to $30,000. Equivalent Tacomas are $35,000 to $42,000. You're saving massive money for superior towing and fuel economy. The 2.8-litre Duramax turbo diesel produces 181 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The horsepower seems low until you realize torque matters for towing and hauling. This little 4-cylinder diesel out-tows V6 gas competitors. Towing capacity reaches 7,700 pounds, more than any gas-powered mid-sized truck. You can tow serious campers, boats, and car trailers that overload Tacomas and Rangers. Fuel economy is staggering for a truck. 20 city, 30 highway. Real-world driving consistently delivers 25 to 28 miles per gallon combined. Highway road trips easily hit 32 miles per gallon. No mid-size gas truck comes close. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth and reliable. It's not the fastest shifting transmission in the world, but it's proven and durable. Fluid changes every 45,000 miles ensure longevity. Calculate ownership costs. This diesel uses approximately 500 gallons annually, driving 15,000 miles versus 750 gallons for gas of 6 competitors. You're saving $750 to $1,000 annually in fuel. Over 5 years, that's $3,750 to $5,000 in your pocket. Required maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes every 7,500 miles with diesel-rated synthetic oil. DEF refills every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Fuel filter replacement every 22,500 miles and occasional DPF regeneration cycles. This isn't complicated or expensive. The off-road capability in ZR2 trim is legitimately world-class. Multi-matic DSSV dampers, electronic locking front and rear differentials, lifted suspension, and aggressive approach/departure angles. This truck rivals Tacoma TRD Pro and costs $15,000 less used. Interior quality is competitive with anything in the segment. LT and Z 71 trims offer comfortable seating, good materials, and the excellent MyLink infotainment system. The crew cab provides genuine rear seat space for adults. Known issues are minimal. Some 2015 to 2016 models experienced DEF system problems resolved by software updates, occasional DPF regeneration issues for short-trip drivers, easily fixed by occasional highway drives, and the diesel exhaust fluid quality sensor can be finicky. These are minor annoyances, not reliability catastrophes. The bed is 5 or 6.2 feet depending on configuration, shorter than full-size trucks, but genuinely usable. Available spray-in bed liner, integrated tie-downs, and optional bed lighting make it functional for real work. Payload capacity reaches 1,574 pounds depending on configuration. This handles lumber, equipment, and supplies without issue. Resale value is improving as people discover these trucks. Early adopters got burned by depreciation, but current buyers are at the bottom. A $27,000 2018 diesel Colorado with 65,000 miles will hold $21,000 to $23,000 value in 5 years while saving thousands in fuel. The aftermarket support has exploded. Lift kits, bumpers, sliders, roof racks, and performance tuning are readily available. The diesel tuning community has unlocked serious power potential for enthusiasts. This truck excels at everything. Daily commuting with 30 miles per gallon highway, weekend adventures with legitimate off-road capability in ZR2 trim, and serious towing up to 7,700 pounds. It's the ultimate do-everything truck that nobody's buying because they're fixated on Tacomas. Why everyone ignores these Goldmines. The pattern is clear. Badge snobbery and outdated perceptions destroy rational thinking. The Frontier is outdated, but that means proven reliability and low ownership costs. The EcoDiesel Ram had reliability problems 5 years ago on early models, now resolved. The diesel Colorado is unproven, despite hundreds of thousands sold globally and excellent reliability data. Meanwhile, people pay $35,000 for Tacomas with 120,000 miles because Toyotas never die. The Tacoma is genuinely reliable, but you're paying $15,000 to $20,000 extra for a badge and resale value you won't realize if you actually drive the truck. These 3 Goldmine trucks offer legitimate capability, proven reliability when properly maintained, and ownership costs that'll save you thousands annually compared to trendy competitors. The financial reality. Let's compare 5-year ownership costs. 2017. Tacoma TRD. Off-road. Purchase price $32,000. Fuel costs at $90. MPG combined $7,900. Maintenance $2,500. Insurance $6,500. Total 5-year cost approximately $48,900. Resale value $24,000. Net cost $24,900. 2017 Frontier Pro 4X. Purchase price $17,000, fuel costs at 18 mpg, combined $8,300, maintenance $2,000, insurance $5,000. Total 5-year cost approximately $32,300. Resale value $13,000. Net cost $19,300. You just saved $5,600 over 5 years for essentially the same capability. 2018 Colorado Diesel Z 71. Purchase price $27,000. Fuel costs at 26 miles per gallon combined $5,800. Maintenance $3,200. Diesel premium. Insurance $5,800. Total 5-year cost approximately $41,800. Resale value $22,000. Net cost $19,800. You saved $5,100 compared to the Tacoma, and you get superior towing and fuel economy. The math is undeniable. Brand loyalty is costing people thousands of dollars for functionally equivalent trucks. Who should buy these trucks? The Frontier is perfect for budget-conscious buyers needing reliable transportation, off-road enthusiasts who prioritize capability over technology, and anyone who drives a truck as a tool rather than a status symbol. The EcoDiesel Ram suits high-mileage commuters who tow occasionally, buyers wanting full-size comfort with mid-size fuel economy, and anyone hauling heavy trailers regularly who wants to save on fuel. The Diesel Colorado excels for buyers wanting maximum versatility, serious off-roaders who also commute daily, and anyone towing heavy loads regularly while caring about fuel economy. These 3 trucks represent the smartest purchases in the used truck market right now. They're not trendy. They won't get Instagram likes, but they'll save you thousands while delivering everything you actually need from a truck. The Frontier offers proven reliability and rock-bottom ownership costs. The EcoDiesel Ram provides full-size capability with exceptional fuel economy. The Diesel Colorado delivers world-class off-road capability, serious towing capacity, and 30 miles per gallon highway. Stop paying the Toyota tax. Stop believing outdated reliability narratives. Start making rational financial decisions based on actual data and ownership costs. Which truck would you choose? Are we wrong about these being gold mines? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video saves you $10,000 on your next truck purchase, smash that like button and subscribe for automotive advice that prioritizes your wallet over marketing hype. Hit the notification bell for our next video, revealing which new trucks will become future classics. We'll see you on the road saving money.